Hello, in this video we will talk about GDP deflator. GDP deflator is the ratio of nominal to real GDP, and in terms of formula we write down it at nominal GDP upon real GDP multiplied by 100, and it gives us the information about inflation trends. Now nominal GDP is something that is calculated at current price. So nominal GDP is calculated at current price, and real GDP will be calculated at the base year price. So normal GDP at current price and real GDP at base year price. Base year price. Now we will see it through a simple example, that is, in 2011 a firm produced 90 units of good X and 40 units of good Y. So its GDP in 2011 will be 90 into 5 plus 40 into 10, that is 850. Now that firm now producing 100 units of good X and 50 unit of good Y in 2012. So its nominal GDP in 2012 will be calculated at the current price, that is, price of good X is 6 and price of good Y is 12. So we will calculate nominal GDP at current price in 2012. So 100 into X into 6 plus 50 into 12, and it will be 1200. And the real GDP, that is calculated at the base year. So we are taking here base year, we are taking 2011, that is price 5 and price of good Y 10, and so real GDP in 2012 will be 100 into 5 plus 50 into 10, and it will be 1000. And GDP deflator that we saw earlier, that formula for GDP deflator will be nominal GDP upon real GDP. So we take here 1200 upon 1000, and it will come out 1.2, and to show it in percentage form we will multiply it by 100, so it will be 120%. So this GDP deflator shows the inflation trend. So we will see it again, that a firm producing 90 units of good X and 40 units of good Y in 2011, and in 2012 it produced 100 units of good X and 50 units of good Y. In 2011 the price of good X was 5, which increases to 6 rupees in 2012, and price of good Y in 2011 was 10 and it increases to 12. And now we calculated GDP in 2011, that was price of good X multiplied by units of good X in 2011 and price of good Y multiplied by its unit, and it comes out to 850. And the nominal GDP that is calculated at current price in 2012 is 100 into price, that is current price, means 2012 price in the year 2012, and unit of good Y multiplied by price of good Y in 2012, that is current price, and it comes out 1200. And real GDP we will calculate at the base year price, that is price of 2011, so it will come out to 100. And we will calculate GDP deflator by putting nominal GDP upon real GDP, and we will multiply it by 100 to get it into percentage form. Thank you. That's it for the video.